The first thing at Brown's that means so much to me, making the customer happy.
The second thing at Brown's that means so much to me, press zero at the prompt, making the customer happy.
The third thing at Brown's that means so much to me, back-ordered parts.
Press zero at the prompt,
making the customer happy.
the fourth thing at Brown's that means so much to me, running orders.
Back-ordered parts.
You need to speak with Alex. He works down at the other building. Make sure you press zero at the prompt.
Making the customer happy.
Five things at Brown's that mean so much to me,
5 cups of coffee.
Can you run me numbers?
A defective part.
I'm going to transfer you down the block. When you get to the main menu, press 0.
Making the customer happy. The sixth thing at Brown's that means so much to me, I can't find the car keys.
5 cups of coffee.
Run me some numbers. I have a live one in my office.
Wrong parts listing.
Press zero at the prompt.
Making the customer happy.
At Brown's that means so much to me. Another recall.
I can't find the car keys.
5 cups of coffee.
Hey, buddy, can you run me some numbers?
Back-ordered parts.
Did you press zero? I'm going to transfer you down there one more time. Just press zero at the prompt.
Making the customer happy. Making at Brown's that means so much to me. Fixing the vehicle correctly.
Another recall. Stocking in the car keys.
5 cups of coffee.
Need some numbers.
Brown's Parts, Mike speaking.
Press 0 at the prompt.
Making the customer happy.
the ninth thing at Brown's that means so much to me, missing used car titles.
Fixing the vehicle.
Another recall.
I can't find the car keys.
5 cups of coffee.
Running orders.
More back-ordered parts.
Did you press 0 at the prompt?
Making the customer happy.
The 10th thing at Brown's that means so much to me. Cars just came in.
Missing used car titles.
Inflating the tires.
Another recall.
Where's the keys?
5 cups of coffee.
Can you run me some numbers?
Another appointment date.
Did you press zero?
Making the customers happy.
The 11th thing at Brown's that means so much to me, bank approved the credit.
Cars just came in.
Missing used car titles.
Fixing the vehicle correctly.
Another recall.
I can't find the keys here either. 5 cups of coffee.
Can you run me numbers?
Another defective computer.
So I'll transfer you down there, press 0 at the prompt.
Making the customers happy.
12 things at Brown's that mean so much to me, AC in the shop.
Bank approved the credit.
Cars just came in.
Missing used car titles.
Fixing the vehicle correctly. Another recall.
Are these the keys?
That's them.
5 cups of coffee.
Work me some numbers.
Back-ordered parts.